He's got to tase him. He's got to.
Yo, Carla Popo TV, back with another video. Check it out.
You want me to kick it open? I can hear. I think he's in the house.
Someone's screaming in there. Okay.
I got you. Go.
Okay. Yeah, she's yelling help. I got it. I got it.
Fuck.
Hayward Police! Hayward Police! Hey, come back! Come back! Come back!
Get back. With you. With you.
Stay right here, sir. Stay right here. Stay right here. Hey, show me your fucking hands!
Hey, he's going through the backyard. He's hopping the fence.
Gray beanie, blue jacket, about 6 foot tall, over the fence.
Please get your hands up. Get down on the ground. Get down on the fucking ground. Stop. He's stepping back over, going north. Get down on the ground. And he's on the roof of 160, running west. Get down on the ground. Great, give it there. He's on the roof. There's two. Get down on the ground.
Hey, right there, right there.
Hey, get down. Please. Stop. We're going to shoot.
Male wearing a gray
Stop.
beanie, blue hoodie, and a beard.
Get down on the ground. Hey, just sit down right there.
Please. Stop. Hey, just push back a little bit.
Sit on the roof right there. Sit down.
Sit down.
Hey, sir, go back inside. Go back inside. It's not safe out here.
Do not jump.
Yeah.
Hey, Sam.
Sit down.
Right here.
He's thinking about it.
35 looks like he's thinking about jumping east.
Nope. Hey, sit down on the roof right there. Just sit down and stop moving. Hey, sit down. It's the police department. Sit down.
Hey, you got a 40 in your car?
Hey, sit down on the roof right there. Just sit down. You're under arrest. Sit down.
Sergeants are calling back. I'm going to try to move me.
Come on. Come on. Fucking go. I don't know either. North is that way, so he should be coming. He's right here. Get here. He's coming over right here. Hey man, get on the ground now. Get on the ground, Hayward PD. Don't reach in your pockets.
Hey, get on the ground.
I'm telling him now. Stay on the ground. He's got a tase him. He's got a screwdriver. Stay on the ground.
Get on the ground now.
Stay on the ground, dude.
Don't move. Drop it. Get on the ground.
Hit him.
Yeah, no. He's ripping it out.
Stop
Drop it.
fighting, dude. Get behind him. He's locked up.
Get in there. Hey, get in there. Drop it. Drop it.
Put the fucking screwdriver down.
Drop the screwdriver.
Roll him over.
Got it. He dropped it.
Roll over. Roll over.
Get on
On
his
your
back.
stomach.
Hey, you're gonna get it again, bro.
Give me your hand now. Stop being dumb, dude. Give me your hand.
Give us your hand.
Give us your arms. You want one? I don't know.
Can't get it. Leg, hands out.
Dude.
Give me your other hand.
Holster that up. Give us your other hand now, dude. Give us your other hand.
I can't get it because he's got his clothing wrapped. Give us your other hand, bro.
Dude. Do you have any more tasers?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna get tased again if you don't give us your arm. Give him your arm.
Give us your fucking arm.
Here it comes. I got it. Stop being dumb. One. Yeah, I got it. He's good. He's good. Got him. Two. Get on your side now. Yes. All two. We're not gonna kill you, dude. We don't want to kill you.
Kill me.
Check. No.
Hey.
Nathan. Nathan. Nathan.
I don't think so. Oh, that's him, because the tattoo on the thing.
Whatever y'all do, check on y'all people, man. Y'all stay safe. See y'all in the next video.
Someone get in here and help me.
What do you need? What do you need?
Jump on his chest.